That was pretty long in queue. OCG. We're doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the rings. Round 1. Dude! Yeah, I could do Delta. Alpha, I'm gonna get Ben 10. Delta, tribute Ben 10. Special summon, activate effect, reveal a ritual, spell or monster. Doodle! Oh, I got the Vanity's Ruler. Wow. Vanity's Ruler, all that means I can go for another negate, I guess. It's gonna tribute for Vanity's Ruler. And Fernando. Game 1 is all I ask. What? Ben 10. What the heck is this? What? Oh, why can't I? What? Dark monster. Oh, you son of a. Ultimateness. Negate. Alpha tribute Ben 10. Special summon from the grave in defense. Getting another Ben 10. Ben 10. I think I'll go for a Natasha. Delta, tribute Ben 10. Special summon from the grave, activate effect, reveal a ritual spell or monster and draw a card. Nice. Ben 10. That is gonna get Eva. Yeah. Zeta. Union carrier. These two. Activate effect, target itself. I didn't even do Zeta's effect yet, damn it. Zeta attribute Natasha so I could add the ritual spell. Mediona's DRYTRON. Ultimateness. And attack. Oh, I should have gotten. For fuck's sakes. Gamma. Yeah, this should have been Ben 10. God dang it. That's okay. Natasha, target ultimateness, gain half of its attack. Gamma, tribute Natasha, activate effect, special alpha. I need to get rid of Lair of Darkness. I think I do. Nightmare Phoenix. Eva. Lair of Darkness. What is this? Oh, I'm just gonna negate that. Eva. Vanishing purple. No. No. Normal summon. Herald. Go for a Boral Sword. 3+, so that's 2, 3, and then the plus. Link Shoken! Battle. Ultimateness, direct attack. Portal Sword attack and effect. Switch to defense and I could attack twice. And that's GG. OTK time! Let's Duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect! One game without a damn Omni-Negate opponent. Maybe. I don't know. Thinking of getting rid of these, but oh, what the heck, I can just put them back in there. There we go. Looks okay. Round. Never mind, not wasting my time with this. Woo. Good, I don't care. Bangs takes a hit. Oh. Another win. You just scoop right away. It is what it is. Oh my god, I'm silver. Did I gain anything from that? No. I was at 97. I missed out on the tournament sign up. So it's okay. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.